And hello to everyone. Welcome po ulit to another Digibiz Talk with Rosel here on my Facebook page. So ako po si Rosel. I'm coming to you from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia right now, and it's 10:19 p.m. here on my side of the world. So thank you po sa lahat ng nanonood nito, whether live right now or via replay later on. So, to introduce myself po ulit, no, ako si Rosel. Ako po ay isang IT professional and OFW. Based po ako rito sa Kuala Lumpur for 17 years now. Matagal-tagal na. And kasama ko rito ang asawa ko na IT rin at ang dalawa naming anak. And of course, liban po dyan, I am also a digital business owner. So, the purpose of this live is to be able to share with you, my followers, no, about this amazing online business na anyone can do kahit wala pa kayong prior business experience. And tulad ko, no, kahit wala ako sa Pilipinas, which is my home country, kayo rin po, kung magra-run ng online business, you can do it from anywhere in the world. And legitimate to. Ako, walang problema sa visa ko. And as I mentioned earlier, 17 years na akong OFW, no? And this online business is my way of preparing myself to eventually return home to the Philippines and para hindi na ako umasa sa sweldo kasi kahit OFW pa ako, empleyado pa rin ako and I have bigger dreams than that. So, ang dream ko eventually is to be financially secure and makauwi na rin sa atin na hindi umaasa sa sweldo o sa visa, di ba? So, today po, I have a guest that will also share with you her story, no? Why this online business stands out among all online businesses out there. And yeah, para meron din kayong marinig na apart from me about how amazing this online business is. So let me introduce you to my guest today, Miss Ruby.
Hello.
Good evening from here.
Good evening. Good evening. Um, can I introduce myself na?
Yes,
Thank
please
you.
po.
First, thank you, Rosel. First of all, thank you talaga for inviting me, Rosel. Maraming salamat, no? It's an honor and I'm really humbled, no, to be here and to share screen with you. Ano pa dapat ito? August pa talaga dapat ito, di ba?
Yes po.
So, let me say, good evening to you. Good afternoon from Norway. It's 4:22 to be exact in the afternoon. And good morning to the rest of the world. My name is Ruby, and I am a wife just like you, Rosel. I am a mom to two grown-up girls and a nurse by profession for 33 years. Matanda na ako,
Oh.
dekada na. And also, I am originally from the Philippines, and we have migrated to Norway 23 years ago. And then, just a little background of my story, 19 months ago, I was looking for that change. Kasi nga, 3 dekada na akong nagna-nurse, no? Marami na tayong nararamdaman and exposure to, kasi I've worked for the past 13 years dito. I've worked as a senior ER nurse. And you can imagine how it is, di ba? So I was looking for that change na talagang I need something to cool down yung aking pababaan yung stress level ko. So I was searching for that avenue to end a life na full of stress talaga, no? And living paycheck to paycheck. 'Di ba sabi nila kung OFW ka daw marami kang pera. We beg to disagree with that.
Yeah,
We
totally.
beg to disagree totally 100%, no? So I was looking for a way to earn that little extra to visit my mom and be there, no, the freedom of being with her. So I was searching for something to help me change my situation talaga. 33 years in service and working as a nurse, helping others. I thought to myself na talagang this time I need to find time para sa sarili ko. So I was worn out, no? Physically, mentally, emotionally exhausted. And 19 months ago, I found this digital business online. So now
Yeah.
I'm the CEO of my digital business, a retired nurse as well. This was an avenue for me to retire early, and just last year lang, October, in 2023, and running this business full time now. Thank you, Rosel.
Yes,
Excuse me.
ako, mas lalong
Kinakabahan
thank you
ako.
po. Talagang, thankful po ako nung nakita ko na ano, na available na kayo.
Oo nga. Sabi ko, kailangan, pwede na
And I beg to
mag-interview.
disagree, no? You don't look po like you've been working for 30 plus years.
Oh, wow. I've been in the business for 19 months, and
Mm.
it has really helped me to take care of myself. Sel, imaginein mo ha, kung senior nurse ka dito, magka-level na kayo ng doktor.
Oh.
Except that we are not able to prescribe medications.
Mm.
Other than that, we work as a team. And kung
Oh.
senior nurse ka na, parang ano ka, parang police ka dyan, na, hey, doctor, you're not doing the right thing, get out, get me another doctor, parang ganyan. So,
Mm.
it's stressful for me na
Mm.
13 years. So, nagkasakit ako, Sel. Talagang, I had, nag-battle ako ng host of health issues, na hindi mo alam kung saan nanggaling yung mga sakit na yan. Nagka-Bell's palsy ako, nagka-allergies, alam mo yung allergy na every time you go to work, nag-allergy ka?
Oh my
Because nga,
gosh,
of
yeah.
stress. Yes! At
Mm.
saka, lumalaki talaga yung bibig ko ba? As
Mm.
in, kahit wala akong kinakain, basta bababa yung immune system ko. Talagang, so, doon ko nakita na I was, parang hindi mo na alam kung anong kakainin. So, it affects us emotionally, right? So, it has, pas pang mga incidences na untoward incidences sa loob ng ER na,
Mm.
delikado yung buhay natin. So, I was really looking for something na, easier than the traditional business. So ito nga, nahanap ko itong ating business.
Oh.
Praise
Oh,
God talaga, Sel.
would you mind sharing po, paano niyo nakita? Paano niyo nahanap yung business?
Oh,
Mm.
okay. So, before I thought na noon, nung naghahanap ako, I tried, Amazon, kasi, I have Amazon. I tried, also, I went to art school, and I have my art studio, as well. And
Oh.
parang hindi yun nakapag-ano sa akin, nakapag-retire sa akin. Sabi ko, I
Oh.
need to look for more. So I kept on looking sa online, right? And I found this advertisement of my mentor, of my coach na ngayon, on social media. And yun. And when I knew about ano, ang partner company natin, wala na akong, I did not think twice. Kasi alam mo, kilala ko na yung partner company natin noon pa.
Oh, okay.
Matagal na. As in,
Mm.
kaya nga sabi ko, wow, oh, wow, really? So after, say, nag-member ako, no, I paid the 149. Sabi ko, okay, I'll just watch the business model or what they have to give, what they have to offer, right? So I paid and be a member, and after 2 weeks, business owner na ako, Sel. I did
Weeks.
not wait. Mm-mm.
Yes.
I did not wait
Mm.
anymore. Mm-mm. So yun, doon nag-start ang aking another phase ng life ko na wala ng
Amazing.
stress. Thank God. Thank God. Praise God talaga. How
And like
about
you
you?
said po, no, ako din from an ad where I
Mm,
saw my mentor. Tapos nun parang na-amaze ako na because sila rin migrants and
mm,
struggling to start out, no? And the online
mm.
business is what helped
Yes.
them when they migrated. Para
Oh,
akong talaga
wow.
kahit hindi nasa Pinas, you can run this business anywhere and it works.
Anywhere.
Kaya,
Mm-mm.
yeah,
Mm-mm.
amazing.
Mm-mm. Amazing talaga.
Mm,
No, they just have to dig deeper into the business, no?
mm,
Not only looking it from afar, but you really have to dig in and ano ba, to know who we are, whom we are working with, what we do. Yun nga, no? Ang business model natin na very unique.
yes.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so let's go to the big question tonight now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What makes this online business model stand out for you?
For me,
Mm.
okay. Um, what makes it stand out? Na yung tinatanong mo bakit ano, parang hindi ako nag-work ng 33 years ng ano, ng nursing, ng nurse as a nurse. Um, ang business na ito nakakaganda talaga. 'Di ba? Don't you agree, Sel? Don't you
Yes.
agree?
Yeah.
So, I can say that we belong to one of the top online businesses around the world. And we are proud to tell you, everybody who are watching us right now, that we work with a 50-year-old company.
Yes.
4 years lang ang ano ko, older lang ako sa kanya ng 4 years. Imagine that, no?
Yes.
When I was 4 years old, this company has started. 50 years in the market. That alone, Rosel, that alone says a whole lot. Kasi
Mm.
you cannot stay in the market sell kung hindi
For that
magagaling
long.
yung oo,
Yeah. Mm.
hindi maganda yung ano mo, yung mission mo as a company, right? No,
Yes.
so and we are registered in 26 countries and operate in 46 locations, right? So and when we hopped in sa business natin, ito pa talaga ang nakapa-fall in love sa akin, Sel, kasi I don't have to start from square one, from point zero, no? When we hopped in sa business namin, the marketing tools are already in place, no? We have the free website, no? Magpili ka na lang kung anong
Mm.
ipangalan mo sa website mo, no?
Correct.
We
Yeah.
have, yes, and we have the world-class comprehensive na training site. Ang ating training site is full packed. Talagang makasabi ka na lang, wow, ano pala talaga ito? Sunod lang talaga ako. There's a blueprint already na you
Mm.
have to follow on how to build and grow your business, no? And we have this mastermind every week. Saan ka makahanap niyan na every week tinuturuan ka, no?
Yes.
Specific
Mm.
pa yan na per topic na pwede mo ma-apply sa
Mm.
business mo for it to grow. And ang pinakamaganda, we never feel alone here in this business kasi we have lifetime mentorship and coaching. Bakit lifetime? In-emphasize ko talaga yung lifetime na word.
Yes.
Because this business is a legacy. Legacy siya. So we are building a lifelong wealth. Okay? Hindi
Mm.
lang siya lifelong na business, but we are building a lifelong wealth that we can pass on to our children. Not to mention that we have lots of tax benefits, no? And what makes this business stand out as well is our business model, which with what as what I've said, very unique. And we are, I think, the only one who's got this, as far as I know, a business model with an automated system that does the lifting for us, the heavy lifting for us 24/7 kahit natutulog kami, no?
Mm.
Minsan nagigising ka na lang, meron ka ng, may mga notifications ka na.
Mm.
Either you've earned or either there's someone who wants to inquire or either someone who wants to hop into the business as well. So
Yeah.
allowing us, giving us the freedom, no, to spend quality time with what matters most sa atin, no? And not to mention the flexibility, Sel, no?
Mm. Yes.
Na we can earn while we travel, while we do our household chores, while we go out with our family, you know. So unlike the traditional business, where you still have to rent the space. Just like sa iyo, yung iyong laundry shop, right?
Yes.
Tao
Mm-hmm.
ka or ikaw na manage na wala ka doon, the
Mm-hmm.
inventory and all that. And the market is just around the neighborhood, right?
Yes.
With our business, our reach is global. So to make our business even stand out, yes, we have products, but we don't sell. Yun ang pinakamaganda. Ayoko na kaya magbenta, sell.
Ang hirap.
Yeah.
Ang hirap. Mm.
It's as if you're begging someone, na
Yes.
ganun ba. So, in our digital business, we don't sell. We have a funnel that does that for us. And here we are. We have we are so proud to say that we have a very supportive community. That's why we never feel alone. Just like kami ni Rosel, we are not economically connected, but we are business partners. We support each other,
Mm.
right? So those are just a few cell na I can go on and on
Yes.
hanggang bukas kung gustuhin natin
Mm.
sa benefit na makukuha natin or what makes this business stand out. Kaya itong pinili ng marami, 'di ba?
Correct.
From all corners of the globe actually.
Correct.
Yun. Mm.
So, you mentioned no, yung features ng business no, na napakaganda. Pero
Yes.
on the other side po, of course, did you also encounter any challenges with this online business? Nung nag-start kayo
Uy,
or up to now?
oh wow, yes.
Mm.
Just like any other business, kahit anong business sell, 'di ba? Alam naman natin 'yan. It's a fact na kung may business ka, may challenges talaga, no?
Mm.
And since we do our business on social media, it was quite a challenge for me. Kasi just to give you a little story, nung when I was looking for that change, no, I went to art school to help myself parang cope with stress sa trabaho ko. So I went to art
Mm.
school here in Norway. And wala akong social media noon. Or pinatay ko ang social media. Alam mo yung inopen mo lang Facebook mo tapos nakita mo parang you don't like it and then
Yeah.
I deactivated, ang term ba yun? Deactivated it. So when I went to art school, sabi ng aming dean, sabi niya, it is a must for you to have social media. So sabi ko parang, pwede kong makuha balik yung aking enrollment fee. Ayoko na, kasi na-deactivate ko yung Facebook ko for 13 years before
Okay.
ako nag-school. Yes, oo.
Mm.
And then sabi niya, it is a must. So, okay, follow the rules. So, nag-social media ako. And guess what? Little did I know that I'll be doing the business on social media a year
Oh.
after. So you see how God has led the way. I mean, how He orchestrated everything.
Mm.
So I think it was really, really God who has prepared me to slowly get used to on how to be on social media. So and one of the ano pa, so when I started the business, I have seen almost everyone do go live. Tell that scared me.
Yes.
Sabi ko, it took me a while to process that.
Mm.
Since nag-start ako January, alam mo, nag-live ako siguro mga July na or August last year.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
it took me 7 to 8 months na mag-go live. Even my advertisement, talagang it took me a while. Kasi ayoko talaga. Alam mo
Mm.
yung with the fear of what will people say.
Yes.
So it took me a while to process that. But I weighed, I weighed things. And I went back to my big why and to my goals na I want to retire early. How can I retire early if I'm not gonna step out of my comfort zone? So that is how I overcame it. And I just, I developed this new mindset na, okay, you put in the effort now, 1 to 3 years, 5 years into business. And then after that, you're gonna rip. You are just gonna wait monthly for your passive income, right? And at the same
Yeah.
time, you earn, no, as you are growing your business. So I have to accept the fact or the nature of our business. That's how I overcame it. We do lifestyle and attraction marketing. I had to learn new skills, and one of which is to face the camera. I thought to myself na uh, that people can say anything, but I
Mm-mm.
have to see to it that what they are telling me or impression nila cannot move me or cannot shake me. That I am doing this for my freedom. I am doing this to reclaim my life. I don't want to get sick anymore. No, I
Mm.
am doing this for me to retire early, to take care of myself. Kasi nga, palagi ako nasa hospital cell noon.
Mm-mm.
As in, I was battling really with health issues. And I am doing this business as a legacy income para sa mga anak ko. So, I can go on and talagang to tell you, marami akong process sa mind ko for me to come out. Yun ang challenge ko talaga. But no
Mm.
one can stop me or us in reaching our goals because we have to prove to ourselves that we made the right decision for embarking in the business, right? Kasi doable ang business eh. Doable
Mm.
eh. We are the only variable sa business na ito, 'di ba? So, yun,
Correct.
that's how it's all about the mindset. Mm.
Correct. Nakorelate na relate po ako sa inyo diyan.
Talaga?
Nung una 'no, yung parang yung go live, yung bakit ba 'no? Tapos nun
Mm.
parang you have to be visible so that ano, nakikita ka nila sa page mo. But on the other side, I realize now, after a few years in the business 'no, na talaga
Mm.
namang merong purpose yung ano,
True.
social media presence and yung
Mm.
pag-go live like tonight because we want to share how amazing this is. And of course, the best
True.
way to share it is via social media. That's
Mm.
why when
Mm.
we say we have a global reach, everyone, most
Yes.
everyone in the world is already on social media. And that's the best
Mm.
way to share this amazing business, right?
That's really true. That's really
Mm,
true. And,
correct.
we are in the digital era now. Everybody is, meeting virtually
Yes.
on social media. So, mas, we are, we are blessed nga eh.
Mm,
Na we have this early on. Kaysa
yes.
sa later pa natin gagawin, right? No, we are so
Correct.
blessed. Mm, mm.
And like, nung kinukwento ko po kanina, no, because I've
Mm.
had experience with a traditional business.
Yes,
Siyempre,
mm.
I can really see the difference na yung online versus traditional na meron kang
Mm.
storefront, meron kang
Mm.
renta, meron kang pinapasweldo. Pag nag-pandemic,
Yes.
close down, wala na.
Wala na,
Pero,
oo.
yes, pero
At
itong
saka
online
mahirap
business, yeah,
At saka mahirap mag-ano, when you have employees, 'no?
yes,
Mahirap. Mm.
correct.
Hmm.
Oh, and we have viewers. Let's check them
Oh,
out.
wow!
Oh, from Louisville. Hello. Good morning, ladies, watching from Alberta, Canada. Hello, Louisville.
Hello,
And let's
Olivia.
see. Yeah, social media may be scary. Nako, relate na relate. Lots of
Mm.
predators and scammers, but social media also has its good points to connect
Mm.
families in different parts of the world, to entertain, and provide a legit way of earning remotely.
True.
Saktong-sakto.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Thank you
True.
for watching, Louisville.
Thank you, Lovelle.
Oh, Miss
From
Ruby,
Alberta siya.
would you mind
Yes.
sharing what are your biggest gains or achievements since you started the business?
Biggest gains talaga ano.
Yes.
Well, not only that I am now able to earn 5 digits, no, with the rank I am in right now, I have now. The biggest gain talaga is that I was able to retire early and reclaimed my life.
Galing.
I don't want to parang ayokong ayokong tumanda na grouchy working as, don't get me wrong ha, I still love being a nurse, but it's just that ang body ko talagang na, 3 decades, talagang bugbog na talaga.
Yeah, hindi forever.
Hindi forever. At saka when we are employed, we exchange, we kasi we yung exchange our freedom doon sa sa ating paycheck lang na hindi mo alam kung tataas ba,
Yes.
kung kailan tataas, or
Mm.
is it worth the effort that you have exerted sa trabaho mo. So yeah, and also the biggest achievement, no, so far, is that I am I became a 2.0 version of me, no? Kasi 'di ba, Sel, sa business na ito, it's not just all about money. They are ang ating leaders, no, they really see to it that we get some personal growth, no? So I have developed a lot of um, new virtues, skills, and of course, ngayon kilala na kita. I have gained
Yes.
friends
Mm.
from all corners of the globe. 'Di ba? So nakakaano ba? And the biggest achievement too is that we are here to help others, those who are longing for change, to reclaim their lives as well. Kasi kung hindi natin ito share, 'di ba? So,
Mm.
achievement na yun for me to see
Yeah.
somebody's life na nakuha niya yung gusto niya, na change na nakuha din natin, right? So
Yes.
we're here to help one soul at a time, no? So yun, so far yun ang masabi ko. It's nice lang na nakikita mo ang isang tao enjoying also doing this business and working on the legacy, working on to retire early too, right? So
Right.
yun, those are just a few of the many reasons or gain
Mm.
or achievements. Thank you, Sel.
Naka-relate na relate din po ako dun sa yung personal development 'no. Kasi, for example for me, yung nakukuha kong training from my work in IT is
Oo.
almost about that world, you know, about
Mm.
technical development, puro about computers.
Wow.
When I joined the business, ang
Mm.
lumaki yung mundo ko ba.
Yes,
And then
totoo.
'di ba,
Mm.
I've been working in IT for more than 20 years. Yun lang yung alam ko.
Mm.
But,
Mm.
over here, yung, personal growth talagang limitless, eh, kasi you learn about
'Di ba?
business, you learn
Mm.
about connecting with people, pati graphic design, pati yung
Yes.
mga sa online setup. Wala
Mm.
yan dati sa ko, sa mundo ko. Nakakatuwa
Mm.
tignan.
Nakakatuwa kasi
Hmm.
parang, we entered into another world, 'no? Another, space kumbaga, na ang heart ng ating yung founders natin, na talagang I really appreciate it kasi talagang they teach us on how to become real entrepreneurs, 'no? Yung training
Well-rounded.
natin,
Mhm.
oo, well-rounded talaga.
Hmm.
Parang not only that they are giving you the business, business opportunity, but they take it, holistic ang nila, ang approach nila. And
Yes.
I salute them for. Thank you, Mike and Darren.
As in talaga. I mean, this business model, I don't know anyone else like you said, and
Yes,
we are
we
very
are the
thankful
only
for that.
one.
Yes.
Mm, mm, mm.
Okay, so Miss Ruby. Any
Yes, ma'am.
final words? No, kasi ano, I am sure my followers or your followers na they're very curious about this online business din. Pero malamang natatakot, malamang may hesitation.
Yes.
Ano yung masasabi mo sa kanila?
Okay. No, oo, maraming when we do advertisements, 'di ba, makikita talaga natin na thousands of them has liked, has commented, has registered. They're interested, but they're also skeptical or
Yes.
afraid, no?
Mm.
So my advice to you who will be watching us on replay um, is to sit down and ask really yourself, why am I skeptical? No? Bakit ako skeptical? Is it because you're afraid to be scammed?
Mm.
We are here now, Roselle and I, and the rest of the business partners that we have, 221,000 K na community,
Mm.
no? As a proof that this business is legitimate. Name name all the profession that you can think of, and you'll see them here inside our community.
Correct. Yeah.
We are working with a multi-billion worth a company with that net worth, no, who's been in the market for 50 years. And how's that, right? We pay taxes. First of all, kung natatakot sila na scammer tayo, hindi naman tayo siguro magbabayad ng tax kung scammers tayo.
Correct.
we, we pay taxes. We are registered, right? And if your skepticism comes from not believing in yourself that you can make it here, I want you to open your mind. We all start not believing in ourselves too. Di ba, Sel? Can you
Yes.
agree to that?
Relate naman tayo.
Oo. So,
Mm.
I want you to open your mind and your heart too. Kasi
Mm.
yung desire of the change comes from your heart, right?
Mm.
We all started here not believing in ourselves too. But as kami, nandito ngayon, as we get to learn and know the beauty of our very unique business model, no, we cannot help but share it with the world. We cannot help but share it to you who are watching us right now. And for those who are interested and overpowered by their skepticism, Rosel, no, for whatever reason that you have, all I can say is this: if your why and your desire to make that change, since we have given you already the proof that we are legitimate, to also have the time and financial freedom that we are enjoying right now. Kasi kung malaki yung why mo, that will burn inside you.
Yes. Mm.
You will do everything and anything to reach that desire, that goal. Don't let people tell you that it cannot be done. Don't give the paintbrush to someone else to paint your future for you. Okay? So, um paint your future the way you want it. So there, I pray that we can remind you that you are here right now watching us for a reason. No, this business has blessed me, my family, Roselle's family, and thousands of others. No, around the world. This business really is a blessing for all of us. Girl, if you're watching right now, you are not a tree.
Mm.
If you don't like your situation right now, you have the freedom to move. This freedom is yours, so take it. Own it. The time to move is now. We will be here. Rosella and I will be here, and the rest of the community of the business owners, no? We will be here for you. We will hold your hand, help you build strong wings so that you can fly too with all the eagles, no? Business partners namin. With us. You can fly with us to make it big in this business. So yun lang masasabi ko, Sel. We will hold their hands. We will be here for
Mhm.
them. Mm-mm.
Correct. Very well put.
Oh, to
Mhm.
God be the glory. I think somebody needs to hear that. Someone needs to hear that. Mm-mm.
Mm. Okay, thank you po. Thank you, Miss Ruby.
Thank you too. Thank you. I'm
uh,
humbled
uh,
talaga, Sel.
Mas lalo po ako. Thank you very much. Talagang natuwa ako kahapon when I got your message. And I'm very happy this happened now after 2 months,
Me
3 months.
too.
Yes.
2 months.
Thank you.
Imagine 2 months
2 months.
tayo naghintay, no? Sorry
Yes.
talaga for waiting.
Worth it
Mm-mm.
naman po. Okay, thank you. And thank you to everyone who watched or is watching later. And we hope this inspires you. Thank you
Mm-mm.
and
Maraming
good night, good
salamat.
day. Bye-bye.
Good night sa iyo, Rosel. Goodbye,
Good day.
everybody.
Good
God
night.
bless.
God bless. Bye.